Sarah from Hills. I'm here today to show you this fantastic investment opportunity. You've got a 3-bedroom end terrace property laid over 4 floors, 2 spacious reception rooms, 3 double bedrooms, potential to even create a 4th, which will come in through the entrance hallway. You've got your 2 reception rooms and fitted kitchen to the ground floor. As you can see, the property is priced to reflect renovation costs. Access into the cellar is tucked away beneath the stairs, and then on through to the kitchen area. As we head up to the first floor, we've got 2 fabulous double bedrooms, master approximately 17 feet. The bathroom at the top of the stairs does also home the boiler, which has actually been regularly serviced. Generous rooms throughout the property. Incredible sized master with access to loft space. It's fully double glazed throughout, and then lastly up into the third and final double room in the loft space, and once again further loft access. So as you can see, it's a fabulous investment. It is priced to reflect its current condition. Location wise, we are on Peel Street in Eccles, which is just a stone's throw from Eccles town centre. Equally just a short walk into Monton Village. You have fabulous amenities surrounding yourself here. Aldi supermarket just across the road. And then you do have brilliant public transport links, as well as fabulous motorway links. So if you're interested in coming along and taking a viewing of this property, please give the office a call on 0161 707 4900.